trolley that I'm gonna be putting to a test. I'm gonna be checking out how durable it is, what I can and what I can't do with it, and how much I could fit into this little travel trolley bag. Now, if you're thinking of traveling, well, you could think of going with this kind of bag. That's if it's a short journey just nearby. I've tried sitting on it and I just realized it cannot handle my weight. Probably a little kid could sit on this. Well, this is a small travel trolley by Swisgear and it's about 15 liters or so. So I want to squeeze as much as I can into this bag, see how much I could get inside for my little trip. Well, what I love most about this bag is the wheels on it. The wheels have a 360 turning angle, which makes it very convenient traveling. Bag is made of flexible plastic with zippers at the side, and the inner is just a simple design, just as it is. But anyways, let me try to fix in as much as I can into the bag and see how much I could get inside there. Let me take this moment to let you know about Baksimba Tours, an experienced safari company based in Uganda, with some of its most popular tours being 14-day Pearl of Africa birding, an 11-day national park experience, a 14-day wildlife best of Uganda, a 7-day birding in Uganda, a 4-day gorilla trekking in Magahinga National Park, and a 2-day ginger experience. If you're into safari, make sure you reach them out on these contacts below, both in Uganda and the United Kingdom. And if you're thinking about shopping in Uganda, make sure you look up dofire.com. And did you know you could simply open up a shop and have a free listing? Yes, you could do that right now. Own your free shop immediately and start selling.